Model building is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves creating a physical representation of a product or system. This process is used to test and refine designs before they are put into production. Model building can be done using a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, metal, and even 3D printing. The models can range in size from small handheld models to large-scale prototypes. Model building is an essential step in the manufacturing process because it allows designers to test their ideas and make changes before investing in expensive production equipment. By creating a physical model, designers can see how the product will look and function in the real world. They can also test different materials and manufacturing processes to find the most efficient and cost-effective solution. In addition to testing and refining designs, model building can also be used for marketing and sales purposes. A physical model can be used to showcase a product to potential customers, investors, and stakeholders. It can also be used in trade shows and other marketing events to generate interest and excitement. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company that specializes in custom metal fabrication, understands the importance of model building in the manufacturing process. They offer model building services to their clients to help them test and refine their designs before moving into production. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment to create high-quality models that accurately represent their clients' products. If you are interested in learning more about model building and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. Their team of experts can answer any questions you may have and provide you with a quote for their model building services. With their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust Berkness Company to help you bring your ideas to life. FAQs. 1. What materials are commonly used in model building? Answer. The materials used in model building vary depending on the type of model being built. Common materials include plastic, wood, metal, and paper. Other materials such as foam, clay, and resin may also be used. 2. What are the different types of model building techniques? Answer. There are several techniques used in model building, including scratch building, kit building, and 3D printing. Scratch building involves building a model from scratch using raw materials, while kit building involves assembling pre-made parts. 3D printing involves creating a model using a computer program and printing it using a 3D printer. 3. What are some common tools used in model building? Answer. Common tools used in model building include hobby knives, sandpaper, paint brushes, glue, and clamps. Other tools such as saws, drills, and airbrushes may also be used depending on the complexity of the model being built. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.